Gajendra Fogart, but I'm sure all of us know him very well, which is very evident from the audience and students itself. Mr. Gajendra Fogart became a popular name by singing Haryanvi songs, which he's presented in front of all of us. The status and fame that Mr. Gajendra Fogart has achieved by singing has not only been achieved in India or in Haryana, but he is famous all over the world as well as social media websites. With this, we welcome you all for the valedictory session of the Spandan Cultural Fest and Inter-University Competition. This is Devika and Niharika from the Department of English and Foreign Languages. At Spandan, we aim to provide a platform to showcase the students' artistic and creative expression through a variety of outlets. We organize classical dance, music, theatre competitions.
This is an immensely exciting evening for our university. The actively growing participation of students from different universities and colleges every year affirms the relevance and meaningfulness of the celebration. These 2 days were filled with a synergy of the youth, creativity and talent totally. So now, without wasting any time, I request our dignitaries, Vice Chancellor, Sir Registrar, Dean Research, to come on the stage and felicitate our guest of honor, Mr. Gajendra Fogart. I request all the dignitaries to be on the stage. Our very own Manjeet from Nutrition Biology has won a coveted prize, and we would like our VC sir to present the trophy to him on stage. He's won first prize in solo singing at IIT Bombay. Manjeet, our very own Haryanvi folk singer, give him a big round of applause. I request Dean Academic and Dean Research to be also on the stage. Our former Vice President, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, once remarked, all of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have equal opportunity to develop our talents. So whether you win or lose today, remember that your efforts weren't wasted. Your performance and experience that you have gathered here will surely help you in future. I request Dr. Ajay from Department of Management to come on the stage and announce the winners of the various competitions organized during the span of these 2 years at Spandan 2023.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. I am assigned this task of disclosing the winning entries in each of the events that we have had in last 2 days. So last 2 days has obviously been full of thrill, and we have had around 5 events, and in which there were a lot of sub-events also. Right? So what I am going to do is I will request the participants to please come on this side of the stage when I call them, and you please be in line so that we don't waste time in this. And so I will first be disclosing the third position, and then second position, and then first position. Right? So this is how we will do it. And if there is an event where the entries were more than the 3 ranks, so I will be first calling on the participants who have not been able to won the first, second or third position, and thereafter I will be calling the third position, second position and first position. Right? I hope it makes sense to each one of you. So so this is a last call for each one of you who have participated to please be ready, so that we please don't waste time. We know that we are running late little. So please be ready. As and when I call up the name, you please come near the stage.
So all the volunteers, Spandan, state performers, competitive event performers, all will get their prizes and certificates here. I hope everyone is here. Or you can call your friends immediately, we do not have time. Thank you.
So we are starting from day 1, which is 25th of February. So first competitive event was dance, and in dance we have 2 categories. So first was folk tribal dance and second was classical dance. So I am calling upon the third rank in folk tribal dance, which is entitled for bronze medal. So this goes to code A, which is Chaudhary Bansilal University of Bhiwani. So please come on the dais wherever you are. The participants are Vanita, Komal, Sudesh, Anshu, Anju, Sheetal, Kiran and Krishna Devi. Please come from this side of the stage. Please come from the right side of the stage.
वही जिस ऑफिस में गए थे। अच्छा,
डाटा कॉपी के लिए
तो अच्छी
बताओ। हाँ,
फाइनल रिजल्ट जो ट्रॉफी वाला है।
अरे मैं प्रोग्राम कराओ ये वाली ये सुबह की ठंड इतना है चाड़ा हो रहा है तो बोतल का
All the teams, please be ready. Please be ready near the stage. Everyone will get a prize. So I request all the teams come near the stage.
So by the time they take over their possessions, let me announce the gold medal in this category, which is folk dance. This goes to code D, which is MDU. In folk dance, gold medal goes to code D, which is MDU. So please come fast. Please come fast. So the people who have participated are Poonam, Jyoti, Prerna, Komal, Dimple, Nishtya, Tanisha, Simran, Bhavna, Ayushi, Anjali and Pooja. Wherever you are in the pandal, please, we would like to see you on the stage. So now after them, the second position, which is silver medal, goes to Code E, which is Central University of Haryana. So please don't waste time. We are with you. We are yelling it out loud and clear. Please come fast. So the people are Kajal, Simon, Nivedita, Jyoti, Shubham, Parul, Shriji, Aishwarya, Neha and Trisha. जल्दी आइए बेटा, जल्दी आ जाइए. Team who is second, please come. Central University of Haryana.
तो बहुत आम आ गया
इधर केक रहा
भाई क्या करा फिर वीडियो ना बने जूम को ना
आगे ले ले
जूम को ना
जूम का तगड़ो से ना
हाँ तो कर रहे हैं मैं क्लोज जितना है इसका इतना
फिर या डार्क आओगी
डार्क के अंदर आओगे इससे बड़ा
All the event coordinators of Spandan of various events, please join us on the stage. From the various categories, fine arts, theatre, dance, music, all the teachers are requested to come on the stage, please.
So these are the people who have really worked hard. This program has not happened today only. It has started way long back and these people have been contributing like anything. So please all the coordinators, if you can please come out. Okay, so by the time this happens, so let me go to the second event, which is classical dance. We only had one entry in this and that entry was from code E. So we have no other option but it goes to Raj Jyoti Senapati from code E, which is Central University of Haryana. Raj Jyoti Senapati, wherever you are, please come on the stage. Raj Jyoti Senapati, please. AP sir, please join us on the stage. Okay, so next category, now we come to dance, now we come to music. In music, the first category was light vocal. In light vocal, we have got two teams participating. So let me call upon the team who has gold medal for group song Indian category. So now with this, please the team who has scored the silver medal, which is position number 2 in group song Indian category. This is code E, Central University of Haryana. Pahima, Mahima, Amruta, Ansha, Rohan, Gunjan and Yashdeep. Please guys come first.
चेंज कर दिए वो तो दो एक बार बनाए
Silver medal goes to Central University of Haryana in group song Indian category.
अरे एक बार बीच में बना दिया था उस पार्टी का 2 सॉन्ग तू ये चेंज करके दे दिए भाई अरे बना दिया था एक बार बीच में वे चेंज कर दिए वे पसंद ना आया मैंने ना फिर और दूसरा बना दिया तू यूँ मन ना फिर अब वो मन ना फिर तो
Group song India.
Group
song India. आजो बच्चा आजो जल्दी आजो.
अब यार वो के
So now another category in the music event is group song Western. And we've got 2 teams participating in this. One is code E and one is code D. So we got two teams, sorry. And the team who has won the gold medal is Code DMDU, and this is Aditi, Muskan, Disha, Sneha, Niti and Shivani. Please come on the stage. Gold medal for group song Western goes to Code DMDU, Aditi, Muskan, Disha, Sneha, Niti and Shivani. Then, not a surprise, second position goes to Central University of Haryana, Code E, for group song Western, because there are two entries. So Yashodeep, Jahana, Nandana, Fahima, Yashmin, Mahima and Shri Lakshmi. Please, we are waiting for you on the stage. Okay, so by the time this thing happens, let me announce the next subcategory in the music event.
Sub-event coordinators of theatre, Dr. Smita and Shankar ji from music. If you are in Pandal, please join us.
Just zoom karo. Okay.
All the coordinators, please come on the stage. Okay, so next category in the music is folk orchestra. Lot of combinations and permutations required. So we got two teams here. One was Code E and one was Code D. So the first position for folk orchestra goes to Code D, which is MDU Rohtak. And the participants are Bhavna, Poonam, Gracie, Aarti, Priya, Dimple, Komal, Ayushi, Jyoti and Rohan. Sorry, till Jyoti. Please team MDU, come out on the stage. And then I would like to invite Code E, who has got silver medal in folk orchestra, which is Central University of Haryana. Rohan, Manjeet, Visheshwar, Deepak, Dinesh, Mahima, Shubham, Yashodeep and Sunniti Nara. Okay, please come. Code E, Central University of Haryana, position 2, which is silver medal. Okay, now we are moving on to category number 3 of events, which is fine arts. In fine arts, we've got 6 events, and they were on-the-spot painting, rangoli, mehendi, collage, poster making, on-the-spot photography. And I'm starting from on-the-spot painting. And first, I would like to call upon, because we've got 5 teams here, and obviously the position would be gone to 3 teams. So we've got 2 participatory certificates. So first of all, I'm calling upon these participatory people. This is the participatory certificate goes to Code B, which is Meenu from MDU. Code B participatory certificate goes to Meenu from MDU. And then Code A, Chaudhary Bansilal University, Sarjeet Kaur, participatory certificate for you also. Meenu and Sarjeet Kaur. Okay, so now let us come on to the positions. So in this on-the-spot painting category in the event, the 3rd position goes to, this is Code F, Chaudhary Ranveer Singh University, Sirsa, this is like Jean. Shikha, do we have Shikha? CRSU. Shikha, code F. Shiksha, sorry. If Shiksha is there, please come out. Then the first position in on-the-spot painting goes to, which is gold medal. Gold medal goes to Code E, which is Central University of Haryana. Muhammad from CUH, please come out. Mohammed. Okay, so the second position, which is silver medal for this category of on the spot painting, goes to code B, which is Luas University Hisar. Diksha from Luas Hisar, please come out. Diksha. So second subcategory in this is Rangoli. And we are seeing some wonderful colors in Rangoli out there. So we've got 3 teams into this. So the third prize, which is bronze medal for Rangoli, goes to code B, which is Luas Hisar. Komal. Komal, please come. Bronze medal for Komal in Rangoli. If you can be please little fast. So the first position for Rangoli fine art goes to, I know you will shout, code E, Central University of Haryana, Banishka from CUH, code E, gold medal. And silver medal for Rangoli goes to code D, which is MDU Anisha Kumari. Anisha Kumari from MDU, please come on the stage. Okay, so next thing is Mehendi competition in fine arts category. So we've got 2 participatory certificates and we've got 3 positions. So first of all, I am announcing the people who have been able to found place in the participatory category. They will be getting participatory certificates. So this goes to code A, which is CBLU, Nikita from CBLU. Do we have Nikita from CBLU? Wherever you are, please come on the dais. Another participatory certificate goes to code G, which is Indira Gandhi University, Mirpur Rewari, Divya from IGU. Divya from IGU, please come. Divya. By the time this happens, let me announce the third position in Mehendi competition, which is bronze medal. And this thing goes to code B, Luas Hisar, Komal from Luas Hisar. Komal, if you can hear me. So now the first position for Mehendi, which is gold medal, goes to code E, Central University of Haryana, Komal, Central University of Haryana. So we've got 2 Komals here. So first Komal is from Luas University, she's got third thing, and the first position goes to Komal, who's from CUH, she's got the first thing. Second position goes to code D, which is MDU Rohtak, Anjali Singh. Next category is collage. Collage, we've got 3 teams. So the third position, which is bronze medal for collage, goes to code A, which is CBLU, Chaudhary Bansilal University, Tanu from CBLU. Tanu, please come out. So the first position in collage category goes to, this is code E, Central University of Haryana, Shanu Agarwal. Shanu, if you can hear me. Okay, Shanu, please make it fast. Then the second rank, which is silver medal for collage category, goes to code B, MDU Deepa from MDU. Next category is poster making in the event fine arts, and we've got a lot of teams out here, 6 teams in total, 3 getting position, 3 getting participatory certificates. So first of all, I'm announcing the participatory certificates participants. So first participatory certificate goes to code D, Shikha Singh from MDU. Code D, Shikha. participatory certificate in poster making.
वास्तवन हो गया
Then another participatory certificate is going to code B, which is Luas Sahil. Sahil from Luas Hisar. And third participatory certificate is going to code A, which is Chaudhary Bansilal University, Anshu. Anshu from CBLU. Okay, now coming on to the rank positions. So the third rank, which is bronze medal for poster making thing, goes to code E, Central University of Haryana, Khushbu. Khushbu from Central University of Haryana. And the gold medal for poster making competition, is going to code C, Kurukshetra University, Priya. Priya from Kurukshetra University, if you are there. And the second position, which is silver medal for poster making competition, is going to code F, which is CRS University, Shikha. Shikha from CRS University. Shikha, please come. Shikha, are you there? Okay, so next thing is on the spot photography. 3 teams announcing from the bronze medal. Bronze medal goes to code G, Indira Gandhi University, Sagar. Sagar from Indira Gandhi University. And first position in on the spot photography is going to code D, MDU, Tanuja. Tanuja? Okay. So MDU people are smart. They are standing there only. So second position, which is silver medal for on the spot photography, is going to code E, which is Central University of Haryana, Shubham. Shubham from CUH, please come out. Shahban. Shahban, I am rerunning through my words. This is not Shubham, this is Shahban. Okay. So next category is for today. We've got 2 major heads, literary events and theatre. In literary we've got poetry Hindi, poetry English, debate and allocation. In theatre we've got skit, mime and mimicry. So I'm starting from theatre first. So the skit subcategory in theatre, the participating certificate for skit goes to code FCRSU Jean for skit. The team from CRSU Jean who has participated in skit are requested to please come on the stage. Bronze medal for theatre skit goes to code G, which is Indira Gandhi University, Mirpur. And the participants were Sagar, Ravinder, Gajanan, Govind, Rajat and Tarun. Indira Gandhi University, bronze medal for skit theatre category. First position for theatre skit category is going to code A, which is Chaudhary Bansilal University. The participants are Ajay, Suraj, Sahil, Ankit, Divya Sharma. CBLU, please come. Theatre skit gold medal people Ajay, Suraj, Sahil, Ankit and Divya. So the second thing for skit category and the silver medal is going to code E, which is Central University of Haryana. Radhika, Komal, Akash, Seema, Rebin, Priya and Saloni. Please serve your foods little quicker please. So this was theatre skit. So now the next category is अच्छा बहुत होने So next category is in the theater event. This is mine. In this we got participatory certificates also. So participatory certificates for mine category goes to code F, which is CRSU Gene. Code F for CRSU Gene. Please come. So then code A CBLU, participatory certificate in mime theatre. So the third position for mime category in theatre is going to code A, which is CBLU. Suraj, Sahil, Yash, Ankit, Hitesh, and if I am reading it right, I think it is Kushagra. So this is bronze medal, code A, mime category, Chaudhary Bansilal University. So the first rank for theatre mime category is going to code G, Indira Gandhi University, Mirpur. So the team is Tarun, Rajat, Govind, Sagar, Ravinder, and again, if I am reading it right, it is Karambi. Okay, come team IGU. So rank 2, which is silver medal for mime in theatre category, is going to code E, which is Central University of Haryana, Sachin, Pramudna, Divya, Bhupendra, Priya, Atul and Abdul. Central University of Haryana. So this second position, silver medal, Central University of Haryana in mime category. So the gold medal in this mimicry category for theatre, gold medal mimicry theatre is for code A, which is CBLU, Chaudhary Bansilal University, Ajay Kumar. Ajay Kumar from CBLU. And in mimicry, the silver medal, which is position number 2, is going to code E, Central University of Haryana, Kshitij. Kshitij, mimicry, silver medal. So now the last event in literary, the last section, literary section, we've got poetry in Hindi, poetry in English, debate and allocation. So we've got 4 things here. And first of all, I'm reading it out for poetry recitation in Hindi. So for this, the judges has given third rank to 2 teams. And these 2 teams are code G, Indira Gandhi University, Mirpur, and code A, Chaudhary Bansilal University, Bhiwani. So they share the bronze medal. Bronze medal shared by CBLU, Bhiwani, and Indira Gandhi University, Mirpur. So the first position for poetry recitation in Hindi Come on, Robin on the stage. Code E, Central University, Haryana. Robin from Central University, Haryana. Code E. Poetry recitation, Hindi. And the second position, which is silver medal, that goes to Shivani from Luas, Hisar. Shivani, please come out, leave the phone. Come on. Okay, so now the next thing is poetry English. Poetry English. You are Shivani? Okay. So poetry English, the third position is going to Muskan Kumari, Indira Gandhi University, code G. Muskan, please come. So first position in poetry recitation English. Poetry recitation English is going to Khushi from Maharshi Dayanand University, code D. Gold medal to Khushi for her wonderful poetry in English. So the second position for poetry in English is going to Sapna from Chaudhary Bansilal University, Bhiwani, code A. Sapna from CBLU. Third thing in this is debate. Third thing is debate. In debate, the second position, which is silver medal, is going to code E, Utkarsh and Brijesh, Central University of Haryana. Utkarsh and Brijesh from Central University of Haryana, debate. And first position for debate is going to Maharshi Dayanand University, Manjot and Nancy, code D. Code D, gold medal for MDU. Okay, so I think I'm done with debate. So now is allocation, the last thing. So 4 people here in allocation. The participant certificate is going to Sapna from Chaudhary Bansilal University. Participatory certificate to Sapna from Chaudhary Bansilal University. Please come, Sapna. Third rank, which is bronze medal for allocation, is going to again Chaudhary Bansilal University, Divya Sharma, code A. Divya Sharma from code A. Gold medal for allocation. Gold medal for allocation is for Sanand, code E, Central University of Haryana. Sanand, where are you? Sanand, come on. So the second position for allocation is going to Preksha Nagar, Maharshi Dayanand University, code D. Preksha Nagar, code D. My compliments to all the people who have been able to get the positions, and equal compliments to those who have got the participatory certificates. So now the last thing which is left, before that, this overall trophy, I would request our DSW to announce the overall trophy. And before that, I would like to invite Dr. A.P. Sharma to read the report of the event. Please, sir. And after that, Professor Anand Sharma for overall trophy announcement.
Thank you, sir. So before the name of the team who is going to lift the overall trophy, which you can see in front of you. Let me have a quick recap of the events which we could conduct in last 2 days. So yesterday we started this event with the inauguration program where Shri Yudhvir Moor ji were the guest of honor, who is Chief Product and Technology Officer at HT Media. And in the afternoon we started the events.
Central University of Haryana. Clapping for 10 seconds. Thank you.